privacy and security are the top priorities for you, the Google Chrome browser is the one then you should avoid. As an alternative, the Brave browser is the one then you should consider for your daily use. They actually respect your privacy with additional feature built in it. So in this video I will tell you what are the 8 reasons that you should use Brave browser instead of using the Google Chrome. So let's get started without any further ado. One of the primary reasons why many people have switched from Google Chrome to Brave is because it is focused on privacy. There is no telemetry or spyware reporting back to the Brave like there is in Chrome, but syncing history, bookmark and other data with another device instead of being used on the cloud, it is stored in the device itself, and its privacy practice and policy meets or exceeds regulation imposed by government, keeping your data safer online. And here is they are providing some information, and it provides state-based tracking, IP tracking and fingerprinting for passive attacks. So these are the and fingerprinting, no other browser providing these features. After that we have blocks, ad and tracker. So in order to block any ad or tracker on the Google Chrome, we have to install the extension for that, but Google Chrome is through the extension, but Brave is doing it in default. So this is a web page opened by the Google Chrome. It is having some ads and very much distraction while browsing. So after that we are opening the same page with the Brave browser, and it is very clean and there is no ads over here, and it is very clear and it is distraction free. So this is the feature, and we can also check in the website how much how much tracker and ads are blocked by this Brave browser. We can go to the settings and we can go to the shields and we can check the other setting also. So tracker and ad blocking, we have to keep it standards to balance it, and after that we can upgrade the HTTP connections, and after that we can also block fingerprinting. So I have to keep it standard so that they will limit the data from our behavior. And after that we have block cookies. So cookies are very useful previously. Nowadays it is being misused, so we have to set it to cross-site only. And after that we have lighter and faster. So the Brave browser is very much fast because it does not load ads on the web page. So this is how the here we can see the Google Chrome is using 8.8% CPU, and while the Brave is using 5 point something. And after that we have Brave search. So Google Chrome was dominant in the search engine for the past 20 years, but now it is getting worse due to some ads and some biased search for any content. So this is the Brave search, and it is the layout is very nicely laid out, and we can this is how we can search on the Brave, and it is very smooth and there is it is very simple. And we can also change the search engine by going to the menu, and we can also go to the search engine. We can also search the search engine that we want to use, but of course the Google DuckDuckGo is not a independent search, it is internally using the Bing. After that we have open source. Though both Google Chrome and Brave browser are based on the Chromium, but the Google Chrome is proprietary software of the Google, and we, a security analyst, cannot analyze the code and we review the code and modify it. But on the other hand, the Brave browser code is open source, and the code is available on the GitHub, and a security analyst can easily review the code and read the code and modify and contribute it to the community. So this is how we can see the number of contributors for this code. And after that we have proxy request. So when we download any Chrome extension through the Chrome, so our identity or our request data is captured by the Google Chrome. But if you download the same extension through the Brave browser, so here is the link for that, to go to the web store. And if we are downloading any Chrome, so it proxy our request through a server, and Google Chrome does not know who is requesting this type of request. After that we have Tor built in. So Tor provides a very much features. So this is the incognito mode of the Google Chrome. It saves your browsing history and cookies, and it becomes handy when you are using your system to another. But Tor browser, sorry, Brave browser has come one step further, and it is providing you new private window with Tor built in, and it saves your browsing history, and it does not save your browsing history, and ISP does not know what is the IP address you are using. So, and if your identity maintains and if you want to being anonymous on the internet, then you should use Tor browser instead of using this Brave browser. After that, we have Brave reward. So as I told you, the Brave browser is ad free. So but if you turn on the Brave reward, then you will see ads in terms of a small notification and a small notification ads, and so this is how they are running the business, and the content creator and publisher are getting paid through these ads, and we also getting some cryptocurrency in our wallet in terms of basic attention token. So we can also read it out what their privacy is. So they are we are getting basic attention token for watching the ads that is displays if we are turning on the Brave reward. So this is how we can check the wallet and how much we are earning, and we can also send this tip to the publisher or any other platform, and we can also get the summary. So this is how they are running the business for running the small notification ads on the web pages on this Brave browser. We can also contribute the basic attention token to the publisher or content creator. So that's, if this video is useful for you, give me a thumbs up and share with others. If you already made a switch to the Brave, tell us in the comment section why you switch, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out any software videos and other tech related stuff here on TechTinge. Goodbye and take care.